Hi guys, let's unbox and test the smartphone microscope. This is a 200 times magnification, microscope which fits onto any smartphone. Very neat. Okay, you've got an instruction manual. You also have a nice carry case, cleaning lens. You also have a USB charger and the main thing, the actual microscope. Now, bear in mind, this is 200 times magnification. That's a very sturdy clip, and the female charger port. Now, it's important to align it, making sure it's concentric with the camera lens. You also have a slider here, which slides up and down. Make sure it is concentric with the lens. It's very neat indeed. Now, to turn on, hold the switch for about 3 seconds, and you have two options. Press it briefly and you can dim it or brighten it. Now let's do an extreme comparison. This is an SEM micrograph of some pollen grains of 100 microns. Obviously this has been illuminated using electrons, which will give you an image 2 orders of magnitude better than using visible light. So it's an extreme comparison. Don't take it too seriously. We're talking about difference of £40 to millions of pounds for an electron microscope. And this is the microscope itself. Now you can see there's a bit of a depth of focus. You have to get the depth of focus right. You have to get right up to the pollen grain. That is not bad. Obviously, you need to focus and get pretty close. You need to hold it parallel. Remember, these are 100 micron grains. I'm happy with that. That is not bad at all. £40 versus a few million pounds. That's not bad.